Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Xiaomi Outdoor Camera BW300. So here are the key things that you need to know about. So the BW300 has a durable waterproof design with IP66 rating that can handle rain, dust and extreme temperatures. It is compact, easy to install and blends with most homes' interiors. The camera offers the 1080p HD video with a wide-angle lens for broad coverage. It includes infrared night vision so you can monitor your property day and night. The BW300 connects with your home Wi-Fi and can be controlled via the Xiaomi Home application. It supports both cloud storage, that is subscription based, and local storage via a micro SD card. It has intelligent motion detection that reduces false alarms and two-way audio for communications. You will get real-time alerts on your phone whenever motion is detected. The camera requires a nearby power outlets and is easy to install, but make sure that your Wi-Fi signals is strong where you place the camera. So the Xiaomi Outdoor Camera BW300 is a reliable, easy to use security option with good video quality and useful smart features. Just ensure it fits your power and Wi-Fi setup. If you want to purchase it, I will put the best buying link of it down in the description. So do check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching.